Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from NYOOOZ.
Mastizade actress Gizele Thakral has been known for her hot physique and bold antics. Continuing her boldness spree, Gizele Thakral copied veteran boldness idol Mandakini. In the recent pictures posted on social media, Thakral poses in sheer white sari under a waterfall, without a blouse. She captioned the pictures, "It was so much fun taking shower in the waterfall." Going by the pictures, Gizele is definitely up to something. NYOOOZ Desk.